Hola clase, welcome to week 5. This week we are already starting module 2 because we are already in February. So let's see what this module 2 has to offer. Here we see that you will have to complete your first oral presentation through VoiceThread, and this will be your first assignment for this module 2. Okay, you will have to submit your first oral presentation this Sunday, and I will talk about it in a second. Then next week, you will have to submit the peer feedback for your classmates' presentations, and then you will have, as always, your weekly VHL activities. So let's come here to module 2. Okay, here you have oral presentation 1 due this Sunday. What do you have to do for la presentación oral, for your oral presentation? Okay, you have to record a presentation using VoiceThread. The topic of the presentation is identify a problem with university education at your university or across the United States. Discuss the problem and use the present subjunctive to give suggestions, recommendations, and advice on how to improve the situation. Okay, so what you have to do for this Sunday is to create a presentation using VoiceThread, and I'm going to show you right now where to find how to create a presentation using VoiceThread. It's very easy. Okay, and this is the topic that you have to do the presentation on. The presentation needs to be 5 minutes long. Okay, and it needs to include 5 slides. Okay. For the topic, you have to use the present subjunctive. So some examples would be, for example, creo que la universidad necesita más profesoras. Here we have the subjunctive. Or recomiendo que los estudiantes se comprometan más con las causas sociales. And here we have our present subjunctive again. Okay, so here I'm giving suggestions on how to improve the university. We need more women as professors. I suggest that students get more involved with social causes. Okay, so this is something similar to what you have to do. Okay, give suggestions on how to improve any problem that you find with the university nowadays. Then how to create a PowerPoint using VoiceThread. If you come here, how to videos, let's see. VoiceThread use. If you click here how to use VoiceThread, you will see a video that explains step by step how to create a presentation using slides within VoiceThread. If you rather create a PowerPoint, like a regular PowerPoint with a voiceover recorded and then upload it to VoiceThread, that's okay. Okay, I suggest that you just do it directly in VoiceThread. But if you rather do it like using the regular PowerPoint with a voiceover and then upload it to VoiceThread, that's okay. Just make sure that when you upload or create your presentation that you share it. If you don't share it, I won't be able to see it and I will think that you haven't uploaded it. So please make sure you share it. Here you have the instructions on how to do it. Then something else that I wanted to let you know, guys, this week you have these presentations, but you also have the VHL activities that include the weekly oral dialogues. Remember that you have to use VHL to record your dialogues. If it is not working for you and you have to end up using Adobe Connect, please label your dialogues. If you just upload your dialogue with your names, then I want to know which dialogues you're posting. Okay, right now it was easy because you had just done dialogues for 1 week, but in a couple of weeks I will have a list of dialogues there, and if you don't label them with the title of the dialogue and the dates of the week, I will have a really hard time. It will be much harder and take me a longer time to grade and find the dialogue that you're doing. So please, if you use Adobe Connect, label your dialogue with the title of the activity. For example, estructuras 6.3. ¿Qué sucedió? And then the date. Okay? But remember, always try VHL first. So this week, oral presentation, due this Sunday, and then your regular VHL activities. You have 20 activities that are due. Here you have the activities. It includes 2 dialogues again. Okay? So just make sure you start working little by little and don't leave everything for the last day, because this week with the oral presentation, you have more work than the previous weeks. Okay, so as always, just email me if you have any doubts. Buena suerte!